Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to the channel. Guys, it's another amazing day. If you're new to the channel, my name's Jack, and this is SPR Industries' new shop. Oh, I'm about ready to... So, by now I should have posted a video. Hopefully I won't die on this one. Posted a video, posted the update of, hey, this is our new shop that Juan and I with Afro Web Dev have committed to. I know it's echoey as hell in here right now, but that should make the mic really good to pick up things. Today's the goal. We've been cleaning the shop all week. You guys should have seen that in the first montage update clip. But now we are focusing on the office space. So the current timetable is kind of like by week 3, we should be at least operating back here, ready to go. The other goal is by the end of November, we have all the offices set up, the showroom all set up, whatever reception desk area that I contractualize and figure out to build for myself in here, because I think Juan's gonna go back there. This is probably gonna come out so we can get, well, not out. Big holes are gonna be cut. We gotta figure out a way to get a car up here. We've got plenty of room up here to put a car. The goal is to get the car up here. So figuring out how we're gonna do that, that's the challenge. We gotta get Jordan's car off the trailer. We gotta do our first real shop repair. The lights are still coming on, but we can turn this one on. Yeah, there we go. Light, there's one. We gotta do our first shop repair, and that is fixing a door handle. This little set screw on here backed its way out, so we're gonna figure out what size that is and put this thing back on. All right, now that that's done, we need to put this panel cover back on. Fire inspection is Monday, which is November, I think 12th, maybe 9th. I don't know, it depends on what year we're in. November 7th, I'm way off. Anyway, yeah, let's get that thing back on there. It shouldn't be that difficult. It should just be able to boop, boop, done, gone. We're gonna hammer that out and yeah, move on to our next task. And shop supplies, and more maintenance shit. Ugh. All right. Well, we got a section of it mopped. Still got a lot to go. Jordan's Audi should be charged so we can get that thing unloaded, get it inside. I would say let it thaw out, but it's got no snow on it, thankfully. What a good girl, you know? This car's been with me for a long time, in a weird way. Not like in a bad way or anything, but this car has been with me for a while. Gas off. There we go. That off, that off. I think Jordan and I have been friends now for 5 years. 5? Maybe 6 years. Oh, baby. We're almost there. Where are we at? Let's check our mileage. 399,780. We're almost to that 400,000 mile mark. Oh yeah, new engine coming for her. We're gonna rebuild the one that's in it. So the plan is at 400,000 miles to rebuild the engine. But that should be good. All right. And that, my friends, is one of the reasons why it's back. So many moons ago when we made this, we got this thing all assembled and together, the exhaust was kind of rushed. I'm not saying it was awful. By no means was it awful, but there was a spot where we got a little lower than we thought we did, and it does make it difficult to get on and off in trailers. Thankfully though, I brought these boards yesterday to do to make like some scaffolding stuff so we could wash up higher on the walls. But Juan and I didn't do that, so they're here. We're gonna use them as I think shim action for, yeah, to do the thing, to get the thing off there, put it in there. So let's just do it to it.
If I do something, man, I do it till I get what I want. I turn a business out of nothing into something I love.
Well, backing it up, I stopped for a second and I don't know what that is. It's not pee, thankfully. And it doesn't taste like coolant, but it doesn't taste like anything else either. So who knows? Anyway, let's get back to the floor. I know you guys are probably like bored of me talking. Yeah, this is just the adventure. You know, every day is a new adventure. As long as I vlog, I seem to get shit done, oddly. When I don't vlog, I find myself in my own head too much. So, let's do it to it.
Day 2.
All right, so in day 4 or 5's moving adventures, we're bringing the lift over and now this happens. Whoops. In its defense, that cart's probably twice as old as me and definitely 3 times the weight that of me. 4 times, 5 times. So the problem comes into the fact that there was bugs living in our moving dolly. Cause like that really is wet. That stuff is actually, that's like termite stuff there. Oh well. It's here, we got it in. We got the rest of it here. You got your drift car? Is that what he dropped off? That's dope. Ooh. Yo, I don't even got that much angle. That's sick.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, look at that place. I can't drive those things to save my life.
You can with this one. It's got a gyro on it. Self
yeah?
counter steers.
That's cheating.
No, it's how all the pros do it.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
So they're all cheaters?
Yeah.
Nice, okay. It's a standard online, at that point.
Any of them that you see online,
yeah,
all have gyros on. Like Super G, everybody that runs Super G has a gyro on.
We're on, what is today, Sunday? Yeah. So Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. All right, day 6 check-in, new shop vlog. Office completely clean, bathroom still to do. That room is, floor is clean. Wanda's finishing up this bit. This room, in here, it smells really good in here.
Yeah, a lot of stuff smells a lot better.
Yeah. This room, however, is completely and utterly, it could get amazing, but yo, the reality is I don't know how amazing the room's gonna be. I think it's gonna be a full makeover. Out here, it's starting to smell like a shop, slowly but surely.
Starting to look like a shop. You already leaked on the floor.
I didn't, it did. Got the lift in today. Definitely not gonna install it yet. We got some other permitting things that we gotta do. We're gonna try to knock out these last 2 rooms, I think, for tonight, and that might be where we call it. Like, I don't think there'll be much more we can do at that point. We need one more permit before we can really start steaming forward, hit the gas, turn the flame up to 11, and...
Let's get it started in here. Don't copyright me, YouTube.
Yeah, I don't think you sung it long enough for it to matter.
Yeah, I didn't. That's why I stopped.
Yeah, you got like 30 seconds.
That being said, YouTube would have to acknowledge my performance of it as being good enough to actually...
Yo, that's a legit claim though. Like if they
claim somebody singing it, that's a compliment.
Right.
Dang!
That boy would be good!
Good? We gotta find you! Sing so good, motherfuckers gotta find me.
Alright, so you get purple power.
Purple power!
It says about 16 to 1. That looks like 16 to 1. Good measure. Oh, sorry. I'm so sorry. But your office looks
I'm
amazing.
talking to the floor, not you.
Oh.
Floor, mess it up. I work hard
All right.
every day. Get this mop clean.
Are you done ranting? I'm just gonna, you know
I'm
what?
done ranting.
Hey, I'm gonna shut the door on you so you can get behind the door.
door.
Oh, we need a new door latch for that too. That's broken.
Turn that screw in and...
He's locked in there for the late turn. Oh, it works. All right. I am gonna work on House of the Crickets and do a little bathroom clean. So we're gonna try out the Lysol Power Bathroom Foaming Cleaner today. I picked this option not just because of cost, but because of Lysol. I like Lysol. Bleach brand was like, kind of like, it's too powerful. We've had so much Clorox in this place.
Hashtag Lysol sponsorship. Hashtag Lysol power.
Look at that foaming action. Oh, look at it. Would you just look at it? Yo, this is a first quality fictitious China toilet in here. It's got a ASME ANSI approval rating.
Ooh.
Right there. This label is intended for removal by the occupancy only. So wait, does that mean since we don't technically own it, we can't take it off?
Maybe. I mean, they do pay for the water.
I removed the label. Hopefully no FBI agents come knocking on my door. There's another felony in here. You know, the thing about toilet water is, as long as the toilet bowl is clean, the water is actually surprisingly clean. I don't know if I would drink it, but I've seen my dog do it. If I had to do it, I guess I would. As long as the bowl was clean. Maybe we'd clean the bowl first and then drink the water out of the bowl. I don't know, it's a little weird to consider, but probably should have struck up with crickets. Yeah. Next project I'm gonna tackle before we go is we're supposed to have the fire marshals come tomorrow as long as we can get on their roster. But this light, so these security lights in your building are you're supposed to be able to hit that button and then these lights come on and then this lights get really, really dim. But this one's all dirty and grody and does not work right. So batteries inside these things are like the exact same battery that you get in your Power Wheels, but like what's inside the fancy case. It's sitting right over there, use the pinch to zoom. Yeah, we're gonna try to hack this box and replace the battery. Save probably about $80 to $120 at least on a new one of these. You can buy an LED one of these, I think for somewhere between like probably $50 to $120, $80 to $120 for some. We're gonna see if we can do this what we had laying around the shop. Well, laying around my garage of my hoard pile that I have. Oh. Yep. There we go.
Look at that little battery. It's so...
All right. There's the inner working of your exercise, and here is our battery. A little cute boy. All right, the one I've got is way bigger than this. That guy over there. So when you have a good working battery on it that's fully charged, it's supposed to like dim the lights and turn these ones on. Something on that analog circuit board in there is faulty, I think. Or the battery's just toast. We're gonna leave it on the charger knowing that that battery did have something in it. Like it had like 0.8 in it or something like that, so. All right. We're gonna cross our fingers. Hopefully it works. If it doesn't work, if we fail for an inspection for it, we'll buy a new one. For now, I'm gonna send it. Let's go see how it's coming up here. Yo, if you guys are finding like any motivational value in this whatsoever, or hate us for doing this, or don't care about this style content, good for you. It looks great, dude. It smells so much better in the dead mouse room.
Yeah, dead mouse room doesn't smell like something actually died in here. Oh, literally like an equalizer.
Yeah.
Come on, little guy, you can do it.
I think I can. I think I can. I think I can. Ah! Hey! Look at that.
Did it make it?
Yeah, I made it. This room is so much brighter now. A good bulb out of a bad, I'm pretty sure what is a bad ballast in those rooms. We're gonna do we still gonna try this one real quick. And then I think we have one in here that we're gonna try. Yeah, that one right there. We'll keep testing bulbs. Might have this place lit up fancy like tonight before we're done. Jinga. Oh, okay, safe and sound. No, not yet. Oh, we still got one perfect little accent light. You're good. You can shut them down. We're good.
But I mean, I actually couldn't remember what.
Yeah, that one was lazy. Huh. All right. Well, guys, I think we're gonna call this week 1 video vlog done. There's enough BS that I've turned the camera on and recorded and that we've done in this journey to make at least a halfway decent upload. But that said, we got a huge journey ahead of us. We got our first load of dirty towels coming out. Juan's got to head home. This has been a good. What are you thinking about there?
Trying to see what I can notice.
That you might be able to steal?
No, I'm trying to smell.
Oh.
Using my nose. We really won't know until next time we're here.
But it's been good. Like, this has been fun. Is there anything you specifically want to say other than bye?
Vote.
Vote. Go vote.
Go vote.
Go vote. This won't be out in time, but go vote.
Yeah.
All right, guys.
I
Well,
can make him feel bad in the aftermath.
all right. Well, guys, thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. I know this content is probably off the beaten path, but we'll get back to our regularly scheduled shenanigans in the new building. So.
I can't believe.
We're outie. Peace.